Hey guys, we received this Kuzy MacBook 15-inch cover or the case. So this is for the test and try purpose. So let me just open and show it to you. So this one is actually a great thing for your MacBook, like to protect it, the material. So this is the case for the top portion or the bottom with this air removing things. So this also have the keyboard protector thing, and then this how like you can put this cover on your MacBook. So this is for the 15-inch style. This is for the keyboard silicone sleeve. This is for the bottom with the thing so that you can dissipate the heat generated from it, and then it's on the top to protect the top case from scratches and anything. Overall, I will say it's a nice case protective thing, and then just fits well with this near bottom corner and dissipate heat. So nice design for your keyboard thing. It fits really well just to protect it your keyboard from any strain or stress.